Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the pinnacle of rug perfection. The Loloi Chris Loves Julia Chris Collection CHR-05 Ivory Slate Runner Rug. If you're in the market for the finest rug craftsmanship, look no further. The Loloi Chris Loves Julia Chris Collection redefines elegance and style. Let's explore why this rug stands out among the rest. Crafted with precision and passion, this rug boasts a timeless stripe design with a soft color palette, making it a versatile addition to any space. But what truly sets it apart is its construction. Hand-tufted in India using 100% wool pile, it exudes quality and durability. Plus, it's good weave certified, ensuring ethical production practices. But why should you consider this rug for your home? Well, besides its exquisite craftsmanship, it offers a medium-height pile that's easy to maintain, perfect for high-traffic areas like living rooms and bedrooms. And let's not forget about the brand behind it. Chris Loves Julia, renowned for their influential home renovation blog, brings a fresh perspective to classic design. Now, let's talk options. Whether you're looking for a statement piece or a subtle accent, this rug comes in various sizes and colors to suit your needs. From the versatile ivory, slate to the chic dove, Santa Fe, there's something for every style preference. In conclusion, the Loloi Chris Loves Julia Chris Collection CHR-05 Ivory Slate Runner Rug is more than just a floor covering. It's a statement piece that elevates any room it graces. With its impeccable craftsmanship, ethical production, and timeless design, it's undoubtedly the best Humphrey Rug Loloi available in the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy decorating!